Today you hear His voice, harden not your heart. Today you hear His voice, harden not your heart. You turn man back to dust, saying, return, O children of man. For 1,000 years in your sight are as yesterday. Now that it is past, or as a watch of the night. Today you hear His voice, harden not your heart. You make content of them in their sleep. The next morning they are like the changing grass, which at the dawn springs upon you, but by evening wait and fades. If today you hear His voice, harden not your heart. Teach us to number our days aright, that we may gain wisdom of heart. Return, O Lord, how long? Have pity on your servant. Today you hear His voice, harden not your heart. Fill us at daybreak with your kindness, that we may shout for joy and gladness all our days. And may the gracious care of the Lord our God be ours. Prosper the work of our hands for us. Prosper the works of our hands. If today you hear His voice, harden not your heart. If today you hear